Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to review iOS 18 on the iPhone 14 Pro. So let's get started. If you haven't updated, you can go ahead and update the official iOS 18 version on it. Now, the iPhone 14 was released in 2022 and has been 2 years, and this is a second major upgrade in the iOS space here. Now, it does have a lot of capabilities, and you can take advantage of most of the features that comes with iOS 18 because of that A16 Bionic chip and 6 gigs of RAM. You have quite a bit of power on the phone itself here. So when I upgrade to iOS 18 now, first initial thing is that you can take advantage of pretty much most of the features that are available on iOS 18, and you can go ahead do a lot of that, like things around customization of the control center, your ability to now lock actual apps on it, and also customization, and then of course all of this reaction abilities on the messages, being able to schedule text messages and hide and unlock apps, and then redesign of the Photos app as well. All of that we explain in other videos as well. You'll see here such a new redesign in its space here. You're able to do a lot more customization. iOS 18 almost seems like it was meant to allow users to be really able to go ahead and customize quite a bit on their devices, from just the control center to things like screen. It will be able to just go ahead and now edit even icon colors, make it bigger, smaller, as you'll be able to go ahead and see. We're able to do all of these customization once you upgrade to iOS 18. So if you haven't updated, this might be one thing that you're looking to upgrade to format. Of course, as we mentioned, some things are quite a little bit different. For example, I didn't quite like the Photos redesign of the app, but maybe it takes time to get used to it. Some people like it. There's been a mixed opinions of it. Again, that's going to be something you can go ahead and maybe customize to your liking, but that customization is available. Things, as I mentioned, around being able to send messages with texts, as you'll see here, a lot more going around there as well to make texting a little bit more easy on that and more exciting as well on iOS 18. And the one thing that you're not going to be getting on the iOS 18 on the 14 Pro is Apple Intelligence. That might be the biggest thing that kind of lacks on the 14 Pro, and might be why Apple is pushing you to upgrade to the new 16 Pro or even the iPhone 15 Pro, which will get Apple Intelligence, which is supposed to come in fall, but it hasn't come into those devices yet, so it's still a waiting game for that overall. So overall, upgrade to iOS 18, you might be wondering, how's the battery life performing? Initially, I see a little bit of dip in the battery, but now using it, it probably took a little bit of time for calibration, and the battery seems to be fine. Haven't had any issues with it getting hot or the performance. Initially, it does get a little bit of lag, and that could be just because of a major upgrade. But once you upgrade to it, there is another update to fix certain things. Currently, that's out, iOS 18.0.1, when they saw some performance issues on some of the models, but especially with the 14 Pro, there hasn't been too much of a major issue with it. Eventually, you'll probably have to update to iOS 18 if you haven't updated. You still stay on iOS 17 if you want to, but eventually you would want to move to iOS 18 to take advantage of all the features and, of course, security and just the enhancements that are available. Kind of our review of it. So iOS 18, we say it's worth it to upgrade to it. If you want to wait till you get iOS 18.1, like a even more stable version, you can. But if you want to go ahead and upgrade it to it, we're not seeing any issues that we can report, but we'd love to hear your opinion as well. If you have seen or upgraded to iOS 18, have any issues, if so, please comment in the comment section to share with everyone. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.